Hello guys, I'm Craig from Access Training, and today I'm at a site. It's a domestic premises where we are going to do an NVQ assessment. Okay, we're going to cover all the units. So we're going to cover health and safety. We're going to cover organise and oversee. We're going to cover an install. We're going to cover a test, and then we're going to cover a fault find. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how the electrician has set the site up here for us today. So there you can see we've got a barrier there, which is a little warning triangle, and he's got his tools set up there. Okay, so as you can see, all the tools are set out nice and neatly, and we're going to carry out some tool checks, and we're going to carry out some access equipment checks here. Okay, ideally these would be electrician step ladders, but he didn't have them to hand. But he's got his testers there, and he's got his extra PPE there. So you can see the electrician's got everything he needs for the job, all set down there, nice and neatly in a lay down area behind a barrier. I'm perfectly happy with that, and I'm more than happy to sign it off. Okay, let's now go to the work site. So the electrician's now going to install some PVC trunking from twin and earth into a little socket outlet in this room here. As you can see, he's put a fire exit there to indicate where he's going to get out of the room. And he's also put down some site safety signs. I think he got these off of the internet, but he's put them on a nice little board. We've got mandatory signs. We've got some site safety signs. We've got the HSE poster, mandatory HSE poster, and we've got a set of site safety rules. I'm more than happy with that. And we're probably going to sign him off on his health and safety just on that basis. The other socket outlet is on the other side of that wall. It's just going to be a spur off, some little trunking along the skirting board, and a little socket outlet there, which is fantastic. And he is then going to safely isolate the installation in the following location, which I will show you now. So that's his board there, and he's going to safely isolate that. So what he's also done as well, which I think is absolutely fantastic, which I'm about to show you now, is this. We've got laid out his building regs. So he's shown us a bit of building regs. We've got a delivery note. We've got plans, drawings, and designs. We've got a risk assessment. We've got the regs book, which I particularly like, which is open to 521.10.202. And he's even conveniently left a couple of fire clips there to show that he understands that regulation, which I think is a fantastic little touch. Got his code breakers in case he spots anything which he may need to fix. And we've also got guidance note 3 here. We also have a little problem with this fuse connection unit. The fan's not working, so we're suspecting a lot of supply. And we've also got a little radiator here, as you can see, with a socket outlet that the switch, this rocker switch here, doesn't operate. So that is a faulty component as well. So we've got loss of supply up there, and we've got a faulty component there, meaning that we can cover health and safety. We can cover organise and oversee, because that's more of a chatting unit anyway. We can cover an install, first fix and second fix. We can cover a full test of an installation, so continuity, installation resistance, polarity, PFC, ZE, PFC, ZS, and an RCD test, which is absolutely brilliant. And all the sites set up absolutely perfectly as we wanted. So I'm confident that this electrician is going to cover units on the 2357. He's going to cover units 311, 313, 315, and 316, 317, and 318. It took him about half an hour to set this site up, and it's perfectly fine to do this on a domestic premises. So guys, there you have it. If he can do it, and I've shown you now this site, and I'm going to be happy with it, then you can do it as well. So any site's a building site, guys, as per CDM 2015. When you enter the premises as a tradesman under that regulation, it's a building site. And this electrician has set this building site up in perfect accordance with that. And I'm more than happy with it. So thank you very much indeed. I hope this has helped you.